I have never been any more prouder than today sa ating organization. Pinakita po natin the service, the beating heart of Alpha Omega. Servisyuhan po natin ang komunidad ng Panasan Hills in celebration of our 100th founding anniversary. Napakaganda po ang impact na nagawa natin. For summary, bibigyan ko lang po kayo ng data bago tayo mag-warning. For dental, we were able to have tooth extraction, 158 cases. Restoration, pasta, 91 cases. Oral prophylaxis, 100 cases. Haircut, 75. Flu vaccine, 50. Mga apo yan, mga members na. Gift giving, 500. Food feeding, 650. Medical, 99. Blood typing, kasama ka sa recipient yan, 200. Legal advice, pati yung nanangingi ng legal advice natin, 10 lang para kayo nilang magkasuhan. 10. Pero maraming salamat. Visit classes, 275 for a total of 2,208.